Insects in decline, what we're losing, how we're losing it, and why you should care. In 2017, German entomologists rang the alarm bells by publishing a paper titled More than 75% Decline Over 27 Years in Total Flying Insect Biomass in Protected Areas. This wasn't the first study of its kind, and it certainly wasn't the last, but it was the one that catapulted insect loss into the public eye. So what exactly are we losing? When many of us think of insects, we think of pollinators like bees and butterflies, and these certainly are important, with 35% of the world's food crop depending on them. However, we also need insects for waste cleanup, and while most of us cringe at the thought of a cockroach, there are 4,500 species, with only 30 affecting humans. The other ones are busy keeping debris from piling up around us. When we lose insects, we lose the foundation of the entire ecosystem. So what is causing insect loss? Scientists agree that there are three main contributors. The first being habitat loss. This can be anything from wide-scale agriculture to urbanization. The second is widespread pesticide use. This goes hand in hand with agriculture. And then the third is the rising temperatures due to climate change. One study found that in the United States, the number one threat to bumblebees was rising temperatures due to climate change. So why should we care about insect loss? Well, almost every aspect of our lives are affected. Like I said earlier, 35% of global food supplies rely on pollinators. Certain things like figs and chocolate rely on very specific insects like wasps and flies. A loss of insects also means a direct loss of food for insectivores, which causes a bottom-up food chain crisis. Many insects also serve as Earth's cleanup crew, and their absence would be noticeable. So what can we do? One of the biggest hurdles to insect conservation is simply the lack of data. One way you can help with that is by joining citizen science projects. If being up close and personal with bugs isn't your thing, that's okay. You can practice green landscaping, like waiting longer in between mowing or not raking your leaves in the fall. And of course, anything that reduces climate change helps out insects.